Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Companies are lining up to deliver their financial results as the earnings season ramps up. We're going to talk about some of them with Nora Melinda, markets correspondent for Bloomberg Television. Nora, what's on your radar?
I'm looking at shares of PNC. Of course, we know this is a regional bank, ticker PNC, pretty easy there. We're seeing shares up about 2.9%. This is after we did see that it reported a 9% increase in terms of fourth quarter revenue. That beat analyst expectations on Wall Street, but also we did see that its non-interest income in the fourth quarter was up by about 14%. They're saying that essentially this was driven by fees from capital markets as well as its advisory business. So we are seeing that the both of those businesses, they surged 41% to $489 million. So you're certainly seeing Wall Street taking a liking to this report. Shares up about 2.9% as we speak.
Second on your list?
Looking at GE Vernova, this is ticker GEV. We're seeing shares up about 7%, but we're looking at power and utilities linked stocks a bit mixed today. Of course, a lot of people are trying to digest in the market. Trump and a few other governors of several U.S. Northeastern states really agreeing to push for an emergency wholesale electricity auction that essentially would compel tech companies to fund new power plants. So you're seeing who the beneficiaries are, some of the losers there. We're hearing from analysts over at Jefferies saying that they see that GE Vernova is the clearest winner when we think about these plans, as PGM, transmission, and distribution companies will have less pressure on bills and potential regulated distribution.
And Nora, one more that is on your list today.
Lastly, I'm taking a look at HP, which is ticker HPQ. We're seeing shares are a touch lower, down by just about 0.3%, earlier down by more than 3%. So we are seeing them pairing those declines. But this is essentially after a downgrade over at Barclays. They're saying that they see secular challenges, and this was a downgrade to underweight from equal weight. So I guess the market doesn't think it's as bad as they did earlier.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.